One full hour, I have listened carefully, trying to understand what you were saying with the help of additional GA seated next to me. So I have taken down notes, as you may have seen. The various complaints coming from various different people suffering from excesses of microfinance agencies. And also I have listened to some of the proposals that have been presented involving various social organizations around in the village areas. So these are things which we will take with us to Colombo. As my colleagues told you at the beginning, we are not going to announce any programs. We did not come here with any firm decisions about new programs. But we will definitely take into account the ideas which are coming from you on these subjects, your criticisms and also your proposals. Listening to you, the way different people presented their ideas, the whole presentation, any part of your presentation I could not understand in terms of the language, but the way the ideas were presented, one could see that there is a lot of grievances and lot of criticisms in your mind about the system. So this is, I am sure, something which came into Jaffna society in recent times, maybe during the 30-year war which you have been referring to all the time. But before that, these problems probably were not there in this particular form. And we will try to resurrect some of those old organizations. Having found out the details about their functioning in the past, I am having my close contacts with the research community in this particular subject area in Jaffna. So with their assistance, we might be able to work out a sustainable program to resolve at least some of the issues of the microfinance subject area. With those comments and giving you the commitment that we in the central bank will try our best to resolve some of those problems which you have been raising. Let me conclude this meeting with thanks to all of you who have participated, who have actively participated in this meeting. Thank you very much. I do not know whether the complaint you made about the previous visit is correct. Some action has been taken. Maybe one of my team members, if you want, will address that issue. About the present visit, we have come here with a firm commitment to undertake a series of reform action that can be implemented within the powers of the central bank using the financial institutions under our supervision. So already we have taken some action in this direction, but we will strengthen that activity with the knowledge gained through this visit. That's my intention, and I hope I'll be able to achieve that intention.